works.
Welcome back to a new video. So I'm into bikes as well as cars, and over the last few years we've been doing a thing called Arenacross. Really good fun, and we've managed to win it the last 3 times. So we're going to do a competition. Between January and February we're going to be going to 4 cities. That's Belfast, Aberdeen, Birmingham and Wembley. So drop us a comment below which is your local city. And what we're going to do is we're going to choose some people to come and join us for the whole day. That includes practice, qualifying, and even all the day and everything behind the scenes, even pit access. This is something that money can't ever buy. The Reddit Yanomais has arrived. So let me show you what we're doing today. We are going to be wrapping this nice, simply flat, straight-edged unit here. And then maybe after today we can take it up professionally, and I can give up Cymark Engineering and we can become full-time wrappers. There is a couple of shapes to work round.
This bit, are you so serious? How long
What,
you
you're
got?
thinking just too easy? Well, we were thinking 15 minutes.
Oh my
Is it
god.
PPF'd as well?
Yeah, PPF'd, yeah.
I mean, that is starting off hard.
I thought you meant this.
Yeah, I suppose it's probably that bit as well, but I think we'll start with the easy bit. And then we'll if not, can we not just put a big piece straight over it and then just put some holes in?
Yeah, I mean, that would look equally as good. Oh my, there's white all in there. Not all under there. And it's the worst colour to wrap. Yeah, I think you can do it.
Brilliant. Positivity.
I'd say good 4 or 5 hours worth of work.
Well, we haven't got that long.
Yeah. I got it.
Should we just spray it?
I don't know what would be worse. So I'm saying that this is, ideally you take these off. Mark's saying he doesn't want to take them off.
I just feel like it's a waste of time if we're limited on time.
It's just made his life a lot harder by doing that. Yeah, all of them would lift it. That'll lift your little fin off.
Ah, yeah, that might be the way forward then, I admit.
I have 1, 2. It's only a couple of quid, I think.
Oh, that was a lot better idea to undo that, wasn't it?
It still doesn't look any easier.
I suppose prep is all pretty important.
Yeah, that's the key, yeah. Okay, here we go.
Literally straight in.
Well, let's put it on, we'll just see. Looks good.
Right, let's get it back on.
My nan got me this for Christmas, thinking, what on earth is that? And she goes, oh, I thought on your videos when you're doing your wrapping, you could cut it with this. And I thought, oh yeah. Never thought I'd use it, I use it all the time. This is the easy part. Mark's about to do the hard bit. You're never going to want to do it again. Yeah, you don't have to worry about whether it looks good or not yet. Just stick it down so we can get
like that?
Yeah, just stick it down and we'll get the back off. So, I'm going to let you do most of this now. Nice line down the middle. Well, I'll help you with the middle because that's going to be a bit difficult.
I can't believe it can like stretch that far. On a normal sticker now, that'd be knackered. Oh yes, because all the creases are coming out. No way.
Heat is the best bit because it just literally shrinks around it. But if you heat it too much, it will rip.
That is unbelievable. I've never seen anything like that before in my life.
This looks good, isn't it?
That's unbelievable.
So the idea with this is you heat all this up, stretch it over the edge like that, so it's like nice and tight. There's no crinkles in it. Then just use your glove, start pushing it.
But
all
do you not
down.
want to stretch it so far too far so you've still got some more stretch, or doesn't it work like that?
Sometimes when it's like a really aggressive line,
yeah,
you would have to like lift it up and push it in. But this is it's enough to stretch around easily. Like, this is going to be painful now, isn't it? That's all right there.
Just like that?
That'll be fine, yeah, that'll be fine. This is probably the hardest panel to do though.
No, this is exactly what I was expecting.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's sensational.
This is maybe the only thing in my life I'm good at.
Now everyone who's watching this is going to think it's really easy.
Now what's happened now is I've just ruined half this channel. Yeah. This sat in PPF took us 4 days. He does 4 cars a week.
sooner you can get this like fin bit done in the middle, the easier it gets. Well, so far it's gone better than I expected.
Shall I keep doing what I'm doing?
Yeah. Oh, I'm buzzing with that, it looks wicked.
Like taking that off was the right decision, wasn't it? It would have been a nightmare.
Oh yeah. I know. Wow. That's all alright.
Is it one?
Yeah. Now it's gone. Save it. Save. That's saved. Might have like gone too far in before
going
yeah.
around, like start at the outside sort of thing.
Work your way in.
Like doing 17 again. Work your way in.
Come too far to mess up now.
I don't think that's me. I think that's the PPF.
Yeah, that's like joining the PPF. Yeah.
When you finish, would you turn it over and just seal all the edges from the backside?
Yeah, just heat everything down like hell. Like literally just cook it to it.
Like melt it on.
Yeah, yeah. It's just that bit over there is going to be.
I'm all up for trying to do that in one.
Yeah. Oh no.
But we can save that by putting it both ways, can't we?
Oh. We can put a little piece over that.
What an idiot.
Stuck onto itself.
I need my glasses on now. Shit's getting real.
It's just cut it just a bit there. Now we've got to try and save it.
I can't hear. Safety glasses on. Yeah, see that now all of a sudden I realise that bit was the easy bit.
yeah, that's the thing, it's the knife. It's a bit of whites came through. That was me.
See, I reckon mark a pen. You could mark a pen.
You could, yeah, you could. I mean, you could have picked a door or a bonnet or something. A little bit.
Do you know what? I've absolutely loved doing this. You've got nothing done. I didn't expect you to help us.
Oh no, I can't like not do it. It's one of them things, you know, it's just like addictive.
Really enjoyed doing it.
Yeah, so all the stuff on the inlay we just got to heat up.
Unless you try a foot tall, you're not going to see it. He feels warm, doesn't he?
Do you want to know why? I've just been on fire.
How's your car?
Smelly. Everything inside's melted, all the headlining's like dripping. Well, yeah, it looks like it don't even look real. Looks like you're smashing it.
Now I'm passing the baton now to Chris. I've got to go and collect some bumpers.
You know, like when a new doctor comes on, there's a handover.
Yeah. And then you have to start again.
Blood pressure's.
Yeah, that's it.
I know it sounds ridiculous, but I love it.
Well, it's your new profession.
Whilst I was doing this, I was just wondering how expensive this panel would be. I'm going to go cheap. I'm going to say this is £4,000. I don't know what's going on here.
Mark wants me to set up an OnlyFans and then subscribe to it.
Bets placed on how much this is going to...
21 plus VAT.
24 plus VAT.
I've gone really cheap. I'm saying like 5.
What?
Carbon. You're on crack, you are.
There's only one way to find out. Hello, I'm wondering if the parts department's open at the moment.
It isn't today, I'm afraid. It'll be open on Monday morning.
Place your bets in the comment section below because this is... I still think it's around 5.
I think
It
it's
can't
a
be.
good question since the dawn of time. It needs answering.
It does need answering.
I tell you what, I'm enjoying this a lot more with you than I was with Matt.
That's cute. I enjoy your company more than Matt's as well.
Thanks, guys.
I forgot you were still here.
Yeah, you're not gone yet.
What do you think to me in the glasses?
Pretty sexy.
I knew you'd say
Future
that.
vibes.
I knew you'd say that.
Do you reckon people are going to start thinking we've got a thing going?
We have.
Oh yeah.
I've tried to hide it, but
I know, yeah. Well, I can see it.
Jeez.
I know. See why I like him.
Mark came equipped.
He's got the tools.
this is going to be in one piece.
No, it's not.
You don't reckon?
No, because... Well, unless you get this absolutely perfect.
We're going to one take it.
If that happens, Yanamars, come on.
business in there.
Next phone call. There's no way this is happening in one piece.
It is.
This is just abysmal. See, if we bought one, second hand, like a Smee's one, we would have been able to find out.
That's Smee's damage one.
Yeah.
If it rips, actually, it's my fault, isn't it? I can see a bit of white.
Go on, Chris.
Who's left me in charge of this?
We're wondering as well whether this satin's going to match up with the satin on his roof.
Well, if not, we'll have to redo the roof.
I'm all up for that.
Yeah, it's better than I thought. Do you know what? I was expecting worse.
Whilst you're here, how much do you reckon one of these?
10 grand,
10 grand, right? That's
Plus
your
that
bet.
or
including.
Okay.
Cheap.
Find out on Monday. I've ordered some parts for that and I said, whilst you're there, got Shmee's STO in here.
Terrible damage.
Yeah. I was going to use his reg.
Just to devalue
Sorry,
his car
Tim.
right now.
So we need to figure out what goes on with this. Where's that?
That's underneath, that's just all in here.
Just chuck it in the bin then.
I wouldn't have bothered with this bit, to be honest, the underneath bit. If I was,
How long is it staying on for?
I suppose maybe forever.
Oh, okay, that's it.
Like I always feel like with the details, it's always best to like show the underside colour, just so that like if anybody ever says, "What colour did that used to be?" you can say, "If you look at the small details, you'll be able to tell." I messed up, George. It's because somebody trusted me with this.
You just picked it up. No one said do it. Basically, when Matt comes back, we're going to say, because it doesn't look like we've done much, and you're going to do the pinstriping, but we're going to decide that we didn't actually want to do it with that, so we're going to save it for later.
So basically, we're making excuses because Matt's going to shout.
Yeah, he's actually a scary man. He looks like Russell Brand.
Oh no, he's got it.
His eye contact's really...
Okay.
I just wondered if there's a job going for your new place.
Yeah, I can hear you.
You ready for this?
Yep. Whoa!
Exactly. I did it all myself, no help whatsoever.
Expect that one.
I know. Jordan's been watching all that. I did myself, yeah. Yeah, thank you. Cheers, Marky. That's lovely. Lovely to hear.
A job now.
Can I have a job? I'm £20 an hour.
Oh,
Have I mentioned my bad back?
yeah, I was going to say. It's sort of like...
Yeah, it just slides back. It's definitely a different back. It goes straight to the negatives.
Mark cut on the edge, and you can really see the white.
That actually looks quite good, doesn't it? It's a little bit off, isn't it?
Oh yeah, that sounded expensive.
Smee's broke one of them as well.
Should we ring Lamborghini? And you can't have it like that.
No, go like that. Just put a cable tie through it.
Yeah, or just put like a wood nail.
So it's Alto, what's the bottom one?
Pussy-o.
Basso.
Basso. Yeah, we don't want basso. That means basic.
It's going to do about flipping 10 mile an hour slow, aren't it?
No, yeah, it's not doing no top speeds now.
Wow.
Gold.
Lamborghini.
What about a Lamborghini?
Just clean it. That's it. Now it's clean. Yeah, it's clean now.
See, in my head, that was enough.
It won't stay.
I honestly thought that was enough.
Odds on Mark getting it like straight and level. I'm saying 0. That's so wonky. I can see it from here.
It's not.
Well, so the I lines up with the end of the O, and the L was like well over there.
Oh, that.
Oh yeah, I wasn't looking at that.
Not really in the centre, is
It's
it?
not that bad, is it?
It's right hand drive, isn't it? That's
Yeah, true. It's going to be heavy on the left side. I can see you don't work on your own cars now, Mark. You did that with your bare hands.
You're wrapping that bit black.
Ah, no. Well, we'll just go
You can
round.
wrap over it and it'll be like embossed into the wrap then.
Ah, good idea. So having kids can definitely be quite time consuming, and it doesn't leave much time for the parents to have some fun together. Now Rich and Emma have been working really hard, and they tried to get a table today and it was fully booked. It's a Sunday afternoon. So we thought we'd do them a nice romantic meal outside, rural, but the only trouble is somebody's been muckspedding. George, I said it was going to be busy this road.
So as we all know, finding babysitters is really hard. So today we've actually brought the children with us, and they're going to be helping serve.
Right, who's going to pour the wine?
Who's going to pour the wine? Me.
I'll do. Thank you.
Ava's turn.
Well done, kiddos.
Thank you.
Perfect.
So sit back and relax. Sorry about the smell.
You
want a tip? Don't eat yellow snow.
Ask for money. You've done a good job. Ask for money.
Oh,
What'd you say?
Thank you.
I haven't got any more.
Mummy, I just want lots. I just want lots.
You want lots?
She's not on the payroll, to be honest, George. No good. Want to go in the van? Play games with Ava?
They say never work with children and animals, don't they?
Right, we've got a choice of alphagetti spaghetti or chickpeas. It's not as warm as I'd have liked.
Oh wow.
You've got to eat this all up, else you won't be leaving the table. Oh, it's disgusting. It's like flipping. Ugh.
Wine? I should have gone ladies first, sorry. Although Richard, you could be a little bit of a lady.
I thought me and you were friends.
You ain't gonna believe it.
Did it work? Did it work? Get lost. You're winding me up. What am I going to wait till Tuesday? Oh, tell me if it worked or not.
Did what work? Are you having a moment?
Did it work?
Did what work?
I give up. I'm retiring. I'm done. I'm going TikToking. YouTube's over.
What are you looking at
There's
me
no way it stopped like that.
for? Ta-da!
There's no way that stopped like that.
Did you not want to pull said tablecloth off the table?
Yes.
Voila! That is French for there you go.
Tuesday.
Tuesday?
Yeah.
What's happening Tuesday?
What?
You do it then.
Thank you, watching. Tuesday is a